So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a high quality dofollow.org. Hello guys, my name is Praved and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink. So the website name is dreamwith.org. So this is a org website, so where you guys have to create a very high quality backlink. And another thing, you guys can publish article submission backlink and the do follow backlink. And also this website having a high quality heavy traffic source and the high quality authority and the 0% spam score. So you guys have to see, according to Acharya, the domain rating is 78, and according to similar web, so you guys can see this website having a 9.76 million total visitors. And you guys have to check this website spam score if you want. I recently checked this website having 0%. Right now my Moj account is not working, so that's why I can't. So this is a website dashboard, and I can provide this website URL over the description section. Okay, and now we can start. So before I started, I wanted to request you with a short thing. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so you guys can see there is a create free account button. If you guys are accessing this website from India or another country, and after that you guys are able to uh, no, if you guys are can't able to create your account on that website, so you guys have to use a VPN. Okay, so after that I have created my account, so I can go with a login section. So there you guys have to create your profile creation process is very simple, so you guys can create a very easily. So there is a post button. Once you guys can create your profile, then you guys have to update your profile details. Then after that you guys can see there is a post button. You guys have to go there. And after that, in a subject section, you guys have to add your article title. So this is my article, and you guys have to see there. You guys have to add your title tags, blog title, article title. And after that you guys have to copy your images. So there I wanting to add image from. If you want to use URLs, then you guys are also able to do copy image addresses. Then after that you guys have to click for the OK button. Then after that you guys can click. Firstly you guys have to add your article. Then after that we can add our article banner image. Okay, so there you guys can add your article banner image. Now we can paste it our article URL. And if you guys are having okay, so our article banner image is inserted. And if you guys can want to add then after that we can add backlink, insert backlink. So this is my targeted keyword, and you guys have to see there is a link insert button. Okay, sorry, I'm using the galat option, so wrong. Okay, and after that you guys have to click for the OK button. Actually guys, today I haven't slept, so that's why my health issue. So if I'm doing something wrong, the communication, the things, so you guys have to forgive. In the tag section you guys can add your article tags, and after that you guys have to choose your locations, and everything is completed. If you guys are wanting to optimize something, so you guys have to do. Then after that you guys can see there is a post button. You guys have to click over there, and you guys can see our article has been submitted, and there is a view the entry. So you guys can see this is your article, and I can show you. So this is your banner image, and this is your article title, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a high quality do follow.org backlink. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. For the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing guys. if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys have to do something from your side. Okay, yeah, so bye bye and take care.